Alright, so today is our first official day on the road to Florida, and we made it to Columbus, Ohio on our first quick trip. Ikea. Gabby and I have never been to an Ikea before, and my friend Danny Pops, I'll put a link to his YouTube channel, made a quick video on his YouTube channel about an almond cake. So we're here to try this famous almond cake and then see what else Ikea has to offer. And then we're going to go to the Northside Market in Dublin, Ohio, and we're going to check out what they have to offer in that little market, and then we're going to stay the night. And that's going to be it for Ohio. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy this video, and we'll catch you guys in the next part. That's not the furniture.
So for lunch we had the Swedish meatballs, and it came with mashed potatoes, sweet peas, and cranberry sauce. It wasn't terrible. I mean, if you're hungry and you're shopping, it's a perfect little plate to grab. It's not something that I would come and eat just because I'm down the street from Ikea, if that makes sense. Now we're about to try the almond cake and see if we need to grab a full-size one for the road. It's good, but I don't understand the hype about it. I don't know. I can't explain it. Like I said, it's good, but I don't know why people go crazy over it.
It's good. We'll try another bite. It's got a little crunch to it. It's not bad. It's not bad. I wouldn't specifically go out of my way for this. Now that I've tried it. I've had better cakes before, but yeah, it's not bad. Just get the slice. Just get the one slice, you'll enjoy it, and be on your way.
So we are at North Market on Bridge Park. This one is actually the Dublin location. They opened back in 2020 and it houses 18 different vendors. The original location is actually in Columbus. We're gonna give it a try and see what we find to eat for dinner.
And I got the rice and noodles, and I went with pork. It smells absolutely amazing, and the presentation is really good, so let's give it a shot. Try that pork out a little bit. That's really good. Wow.
I went to the Korean barbecue restaurant and I got the bulgogi. Aaron's plate tastes a lot better. It has a lot more flavor than mine, but it's not bad. I also went to Bubbles and got a lavender milk tea. So let's give it a try. It's not bad. It's actually really good. And you can taste the lavender. But it is a little warm for my liking. But other than that, it's good.
So we got something sweet at Holy Crepes. I got the peanut butter, Nutella, and banana. Let's cut it up, give